I will invite, on behalf of the Standard Group, Ken Mijungu to come and give us a brief tribute.
God is good, and all the time. My name is Ken Mijungu. I stand here on behalf of the Standard Group, and I'd like the mourners to see my colleagues who have come to help us send Rita to her final resting place today. Standard Group. Right, so these are members of Standard Group. Rita left the Standard Group. Asanteni sana. Thank you so much. Rita left the Standard Group sometimes last year, and she was at Standard Group for more than 10 years. She was a colleague. She was a good person. Sometimes we are at loss. We lack words. I saw her the week before she passed on, and we were on the street, and she just waved, and she drove on. So on behalf of Standard Group, we had made our statement from Nairobi. I'd just like to say once more to the church, to the community, to the family of Rita, poleni sana, and to Mia, because of who your mother was, and because of what she did, and who you're becoming as a young lady, the world will never forget you. The world will never forget you. And I know when your time reaches, it will be a great impact. We will not forget. So on behalf of Standard Group, I just like to pass our condolences. Poleni sana to the community, and we stand with you. Asanteni sana.
Thank you, Ken.